Bad Grass Dude channel. People, boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, whoever's out here watching this glorious day. So check it out. Today was raining. So we've been waiting around. It's like 10 something. I don't know. Let's see real quick. It's like 10:21. So still real wet. It's supposed to be cloudy all day. I'm gonna call it a day. So I texted my guy and just said, you know what, dude, we'll start fresh tomorrow. Cheers. Red Bull. All right. So on the agenda today, we've got the SRM266 Echo trimmer. It's an older trimmer. I bought it a little while ago, but anyways, I got this carb kit right here. I'll link up in the description. But anyways, this carburetor is like, I don't know, 16 bucks. Comes with the carburetor, a new spark plug, air filter, new hoses, new primer, new gas tank filters. It's just overall a good deal. I've been doing this for several years. When my trimmers stop running correctly, I basically go ahead and purchase a new carburetor. Now, yeah, these are like some cheap Chinese brand or something. I don't know. But you know what? They work. So I've had really good success with them over the years. I don't know. I mean, I can keep these kind of clean. But you know what? These sit here on my truck and they just get all sorts of debris in them. So from the grass in the back of the truck to the detaching and the leaves, when I mulch the leaves, those are the worst. So I basically, I do not like to use, what do you say? I don't like to use the, oh shit. I'm trying to think of the word here. I'm not very good at trying to concentrate and work at the same time and talk. But anyways, I can tear it apart, I can clean it, I can do all this stuff. But sitting on my trailer, the debris just shoots on it. So anyways, I'll show you this real quick. This is kind of an example of, you know, debris gets caught in here, leaves, all sorts of debris, grass. Anyways, sometimes during the fall and after we detach stuff, we got to clean this stuff out. So as you can see, it's burnt right here. This trimmer got a little hot and started melting and burning all the debris that was in here. My guy didn't clean it out very good, and it just started smoking. Anyways, so we're going to replace this carburetor. It still runs. It's got fabulous compression, so I'm pretty sure the motor did not, you know, get too hot. When I noticed it smoking, I was like, bro, he came over and he's like, dude, it's smoking. I was like, yeah, you forgot to clean it out. But no big deal. And honestly, a mistake is a mistake. And guess what? We can just buy another one. So yeah, that's more money we got to spend. But to be honest, could have happened to anyone. Sometimes I do that and I start smelling things and it starts smelling like it's burning, so I'll clean it out. The trick is just catching that before it causes too much damage, I guess. So anyways, I'm going to maybe put this on a time lapse here, and so we're not pushing a whole lot of time, but I'm going to put it on a time lapse, get this changed out, and we will go from there. All right, stay tuned. we got it changed. Now, got the carburetor changed. We've got, let's see, let's prime a little bit of gasoline in here. Takes just a little bit, get run through that new filter. So let's see how this bad boy runs. Ooh, no choke. All right, so we're gonna do a little carb tuning adjustment here. All right, I think I got it. So, took just a minute. I did end up actually getting this screwdriver to work, but I don't know if you can see, but in here, there's a little fuel mixture screw. So at first when I started it up, it wasn't like, you know, it was like, it wasn't like, Alright folks, there you have it. There's the old carburetor. Look at that. I should have changed that spark plug earlier. I didn't. Oh, is there stuff on the lens? Anyways, I didn't. But I did now. And I got a whole new carb and everything. So put that in a little trash pile. And that's that. Go out, have a good day. If you're out working, work hard. Find out who's in your area and work harder than them. Anyways, just kidding. It's not really about working harder than anyone else. It's really about working smarter, finding out how you can, you know, raise your prices or get some more money out of certain services. But other than that, y'all have a good day. I'm gonna go put this back on the trailer. We're gonna see how it performs tomorrow. So stay tuned. Go get you some Red Bull right here. You know what? I'm gonna link this up on my stories in Instagram. Go check it out. The Bad Grass Dude.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.